Have you driven through Los Angeles and thought, why are the streets so oily? Not just near freeways and downtown, the oil stains are everywhere. And while neglect is questionable, some of it is history leaking through the pavement. Before Hollywood, palm trees, and freeways, Los Angeles was one of the biggest oil producing cities in the world. Wells were drilled under neighborhoods, schools, and parking lots. And when the city expanded, they didn't remove them, they built over them. Some were capped and hidden, but they never fully stopped seeping. Now add a million cars with stop and go traffic and old engines. Oil drips every day. And the LA heat thins those fluids. And instead of sitting on the road, the oil melts into the asphalt. That's why the stains don't wash away. They're cooked in. In rainy cities, oil gets washed out. In LA, months of dry heat lets it build up. So when it finally rains in LA, it spreads instead of disappearing. Those stains aren't dirt. They're fingerprints of an industrial past the city never erased. Los Angeles isn't just glam on the surface. It's oil, labor, infrastructure, and history pressed into the ground beneath your feet. Every city leaves clues about what it values. In LA, even the streets remind you. This place was built on extraction, and it's still seeping through.